Well, another piece of Evesham Gold to show you. This time a pie dish, quite a large pie dish. I think it's probably going to be just over 11 inches. Let me show you the side elevation because it all starts to make sense when you see that. Slightly rimmed, deep-sided. It's from the oven to tableware. Show you the Royal Worcester Evesham mark here. Made in England, oven to tableware. Unglazed base, as was all the case with Evesham Gold. And nice period crown marks in there. Probably we'll have a look at the date, see if we can sort of determine when this particular piece was made. It's in good used vintage condition. The surface and transfer designs, pear, plum and apricot or peach, in very nice condition. Hardly a mark on it. A little bit of feathering on the very broad gilt band that they put around the outer side of this. But otherwise it's in very nice fine condition for a piece of Royal Worcester Evesham, because most of it has been quite heavily used over the period since it was manufactured. This one is going on sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. We've got quite a large selection of Royal Worcester Evesham Gold that we're currently working our way and listing, some of it coming out of its original boxes in mint condition. So some nice opportunities for people looking and collectors of Royal Worcester Evesham. Follow the link below. We'll pop a website link from YouTube that will take you back to our website listing for this particular pie dish and its availability online from us here in the UK. Thanks for watching.